Hello everyone, welcome once again. Today we will make a very simple recipe, that is potato tikki, and let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken roasted peanut powder, potato boiled and smashed, then sago powder, rajgira powder, some ghee, then green chili paste, salt and cumin powder. Now heat a pan and grease it with some ghee, and now we will prepare our batter. Take smashed potato, then peanut powder, then 1 spoon sago powder, 1 spoon rajgira powder, then salt as per your taste, some cumin powder and green chili. This is also as per your taste. Then we will mix all these ingredients together. Mix it well to make a dough. Now you can see like this our dough is ready. Now to make a tikki out of it, grease your hand with some ghee. Then take a ball. You can give any shape. Here I am giving the round shape, tikki, perfect tikki shape. Press it. Small or big, as per your choice, you can make the tikkis. And you can do shallow fry. Like this, make all the tikkis. Make a ball, then press it. And like this, prepare all the tikkis. Now we have to cook them 5 minutes at least from both the sides. Here I have made some more tikkis. Now let's see whether they are brown from one side. Yes, perfect golden color from one side. We will turn them to cook from another side and let them cook from another side. Now let's see whether it is ready from other side. Yes, they are ready. And don't forget to take help of your parents while making this. Yes, now we will serve it. Our potato tikki is ready to eat.